Good morning, Stillwater's friends. I have just finished scouring through all of the Amazon Prime Days deals, and you all had requested that I share with you some of the purchases that I grabbed for myself. So I have accumulated a list. It's actually not very long. There might be 20 things on there. So I've included some wreath making supplies and tools that I grabbed for my stash. I grabbed a few items for my photo taking and label printing and things like that. And then I also threw in some personal items that I wanted to grab for my house just because they were super great deals. So I'm going to list that for you below in the description of this video so that you can check out all the goodies that I found. And I'm also going to include, I stumbled upon a free Amazon trial link that you can click on if you don't have Prime. That will let you go ahead and take advantage of some of these awesome Prime Day deals. Anyway, happy shopping, friends. There's some good deals out there.